Hey G Squad, welcome back to an episode of Is It Worth It? So today's episode right this cool, amazing product right here in my hand. And basically what this is a bubble set that comes with a bunch of these bubble sticks that you can use to blow bubbles on. And I also got this package here as well. And these are some bubble solutions. So let me actually open up both of these packages first to show you guys what the product looks like before we actually test it out. So when you guys first open up, you guys can see that is basically what it looks like inside. So let me take out one of them and show you guys what it actually looks like. So when we take it out, you guys can see that this is basically what the product looks like. So there's a total of 6 of these bubbles that you can use basically anywhere, at home, in office, outdoors, with your kids, families, or whatever. And basically for all 24 of these bubble sets that's included in the packaging itself, they have the solution in here already. So you guys don't have to worry about it. But basically once you guys are done using it, you do need to make some more solutions to use these bubble set right here. And when you guys take a look at each one of these bubble wands right here, each one of them are a little bit different. And they're all in different colors as well, if you can see on the top part. But right here, you can see these are different than these right here. And the way how they designed the lid for the actual bubble wand itself is completely leak proof. So you guys don't have to worry about any of the solution leaking out. So we'll test this out in a second. But before we do, let me show you guys the other package first. Alright, when you guys open up, you guys can see that is basically what it looks like inside. So there's a pack of 2 of these bubble solutions. And both of them look like this right here. But let me take out the wrapper first. Alright, so here is the bubble solution. And if you guys don't want to use the solution, you guys want to make your own, you definitely can as well. I believe all you guys need to use is like some hand soap or something and mix it with some water. You guys can learn more about that on yourself and you guys do your own research. But it's definitely much easier to get one of these so you guys don't have to worry about making your own solution. So that's basically everything that is on the product itself. Let me actually take out one of them or a few of them and try it out and show you guys how well it performs first. And we'll come back and talk more about the product in a second. Alright, let's try the other one. There you can see this one has more holes. So it seems like this one produces a lot more bubbles than the other one, but they both work pretty well. So it might have something to do with the solution as well. Alright, so when we open up this one right here, you can see it's completely sealed. So you do need to open up this part right here to use it. So let me do that first. Alright, let's try it out and see what happens. Alright, so it looks like when we use the solution one, it definitely is much stronger. You can see there's a lot more bubbles. If I can see, it lasts really long compared to the one without the solution that we just used. Alright, so we're gonna try again with the other one and see what happens. See if the same thing happens where it produces more bubbles or not. So it definitely produce a lot more bubbles, you can see, with the solution right here. Alright, welcome back guys. So I guess a quick test of product itself, you guys can see it actually works really well. It's definitely really cool how they give you guys different options to do different shapes. But definitely a pretty awesome product to use, especially since summer is coming up soon. So that's basically everything that's on the product itself. Now that we did unboxing and testing on the product itself, now to answer the question of whether or not it's actually worth it or not. So for me, honestly, I would definitely have to say that both of these products are super worth it if you guys want one or need one of these. Especially like I mentioned, since summer is coming up, you guys want to spend some time with your families and friends, and especially for your kids to have some bubble time or whatever, then these are super worth it. But then obviously for those guys who don't want or don't need one or have one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save your money for something else that you do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out, and it will definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.